Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make wheatgrass juice with powder. First, gather your essential tools: wheatgrass powder, a glass, and a spoon. Next, measure out 1 to 2 teaspoons of the powder. It is important to use cool or room temperature water, not hot, as this helps preserve the nutrients and ensures a smoother mix. This simple preparation sets the stage for a healthy drink. To achieve a perfectly smooth drink, begin by adding just a small amount of water, around 2 ounces, to your measured wheatgrass powder. Stir this mixture vigorously with your spoon until it forms a thick, lump-free paste. This crucial step prevents clumping later. Then, slowly pour in the remaining 6 to 8 ounces of water, continuing to stir until fully combined. Enjoy a smooth, consistent texture. If the natural taste of wheatgrass is too strong, there are several ways to enhance its flavor. A squeeze of fresh lemon or lime juice can add a refreshing, zesty kick. For a touch of sweetness, consider mixing in a small amount of natural sweetener, such as honey or maple syrup. Alternatively, blending your wheatgrass with a favorite fruit juice, like apple or orange, creates a more palatable and enjoyable beverage. For the best results and maximum nutritional benefits, it is highly recommended to drink your freshly prepared wheatgrass juice immediately. Many find that consuming it on an empty stomach, perhaps first thing in the morning, allows for optimal nutrient absorption. Remember to store any unused wheatgrass powder in an airtight container in a cool, dark place to maintain its potency and freshness for future use. Enjoy your healthy drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.